Welcome back here with another video here to talk about building solid business credit profile for your business. One of the powerful tools of growing and scaling and expanding a business is having access to capital when you need it. And the way you do that is position yourself in advance to know, number one, you want to grow your business, you want to expand your business, you want to be able to take advantage of different opportunities that business may have for you. You want to maybe have multiple locations one day, and you'll need capital to make that happen. And you don't want to have to use whatever capital you have in your account to make that expansion project come to life. So you want to be able to tap into OPM, other people's money. That's in the form of business credit cards, lines of credit, and loans. The easiest one to get is business credit cards. Lines of loans and lines of credit loans are the most difficult to get. But if you position for success, if you position with the three C's already in place, then that makes you getting the capital you need for expansion that much more easier. And the three C's cover cash flow, credit, collateral. Once you get to a point in your business based on what business model you do, based on what service you provide or products you sell, if you can have all three, then that's a good indicator you're in position to get capital when you need it. And part of that is building solid business credit profile for your business, having a solid personal credit profile and score for your personal. Those two combinations together is going to help you maximize your profits. It's going to help you maximize your funding capabilities by having a great personal credit score and history and a great business credit score and history. Those two together is a powerhouse. And then having the three C's embedded in that, meaning you got cash flow coming in on a consistent basis. You might be doing multiple six figures inside your business at that point. So you're looking at $20,000, $30,000 months. You got 680, 750 credit score on the personal. You got an 80 or 90 or above on your business credit profiles. You got great personal credit mix on both sides of the fence. Business credit is awesome because it has the capacity to give you the credit uh, limits you need to grow and scale a business. Personal was never designed for that. So if you have great personal credit established of $10,000 or better, when it's time to start your business and start to apply for business credit cards, it's going to outdo that because building business credit and having a business was designed to outdo that. And that's why you want to position yourself with having a great personal credit, great personal credit and profile score in place, as well as a great business profile and score in place. The great thing about building business credit is if for whatever reason your personal credit and history is not straight at this point, you can start to still build business credit and at the same time when you can work on getting your personal credit in order. Either you do I it yourself or you're gonna outsource that. The choice is yours, but you eventually want to make that happen. That's what I'm in the midst of doing. I'm building business credit at the same time working on getting someone to help me with my personal credit score and history so I can maximize my funding opportunities. So as a business, you want to be able to get money when things happen unexpectedly that you can't foresee. And that's the power of you having business credit already established because it's going to allow you to tap into funding that you wouldn't be able to tap into without having business credit already established. Same thing with personal credit. It allows you to tap into limited funding when it comes to your business because the problem with uh, using your personal credit only to build a business is your utilization is so high that your credit scores come down, your inquiries add up, and you're no longer able to get the funding you need because personal was never designed for you to fund and scale and build and grow a business long term. It was a strategy to use initially to get the funding you need, but at the same time, you want to start to generate cash flow revenue inside your business consistently and significantly 10, $20,000 months with six-figure business would be nice. And at the same time, building a business credit profile and score with Dun& and Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. And so I'm a partner of Credit Suite, and I get to resell our business credit builder program. It's a step-by-step system that walks you through building business credit. It's the same program I use to build my own business credit for my business. And so I don't have to guess or figure out or go to social media and listen to these people talk about how to get 0% business credit cards with 0% financing. with this misinformation uh, and uh, erroneous information. You don't have to put yourself through that. You want to come to a source that has the experience and the credibility already established in the marketplace that's going to help you build business credit for your business. The problem you face is there's so many people out here claiming to help you do that, and that's the challenge: trying to find the right person, the right source, the right uh, business to do business with is what we all suffer from. So I'm a trusted advisor. I'm a valuable resource in this space where I want to be able to help you by pointing you in the right direction that's going to help you build business credit effectively. You know what I'm saying? And if I can help do that, you can reach out to me at 773-675-9823, or you can also email me at info@workwthomas.com. Uh, like I said, if your personal credit ain't tight like mine was, you can start still building business credit, and at the same time, when you can, work on building your personal credit back up to where you want to be. So those two combinations together will be a powerhouse for you to get capital you need to grow and scale and take advantage of different opportunities inside your business. So if you're a business owner who wants to one day have 10 stores spread it throughout, that's going to take capital. That's going to take resources. That's going to take income. And you don't want to have to use all your income from the business to make these expansion projects happen. You want to be able to OPM it, use other people's money to make it happen. So if you're interested in learning how to build business credit for your business, you want a strategic step-by-step approach to that, we have a program called the Business Credit Builder Program that helps you with that step-by-step system. We have a team of people that's going to walk you through that process. The first thing we cover is fundability, which is the foundational steps to be able to get business credit. It's not based on how much money you're making. It's not based on how long you've been in business. Those things are a bonus and a plus to you and your business brand and reputation, but it has no effect on you getting business credit cards for your business. So the two aspects of getting business credit cards will be leveraging your personal credit score and history, or building a business credit profile and score with enough trade lines on it that's going to allow you to get business credit cards one day. It's a process. It's not an overnight matter. If you're looking for funding right now, we talk about the three C's. What type of cash flow you're working with, what type of credit you're working with, or what type of collateral. You choose one of those three. You know, you don't need to have all three, but you need to have one of those three that you can leverage to get you started with initial uh, capital to fund your business venture. I'll see you in my next video.